It's time to lock in, people. Hey everyone, I'm Anna Jo. This is my brand new YouTube channel. It's only day 3 of my journey to get $15,000 a month through my side hustles in order to get out of the hole that I have dug myself into. I have to do this by the end of August. So that's what this journey is about. I'm making this vlog because I will hold myself accountable, but also I want to share with you how I got here. So I'm doing it through affiliate marketing, and I have 3 tactics. I have TikTok Shop, YouTube, and then Amazon affiliate on-site and off-site. So those are the 3 side hustles that I have established over the last couple of years, and I've kind of been like this, but now I am locking in, and I am going to amplify each of those sources of income so that I can dig myself out of this hole. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned and join me in this journey. Also, if you're watching this, you might want to stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my top 3 things that I would recommend if you wanted to do this too, if you wanted to take this seriously, my top 3 recommendations. So stay tuned. Yesterday, we talked about affiliate marketing, so you should go check out that video if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing and how I got into it. That's my whole origin story. And then this video, I'm going to talk about how I balance this side hustle lifestyle with a full-time teaching job and as a parent of a teenager. Yeah. That's crazy. So I wanted to give you a little example of what I did today, because that's probably the easiest way to be able to visualize this. So today's Friday. I worked all day. I had to be at work at 8:30, and I worked all day. And at 4:35 is when the last class ends. And I book it out. I get my kids ready to leave the building before the bell rings, and I book it to my car, and I get home as fast as I possibly can for a couple of reasons. One, the lighting is really good at that time of the day, and when this room back here, it's great for making videos. So I want to get home and get as much footage as possible. 2, because my son either gets a ride home from his friends or takes the bus, or he's with his dad, and so I want to get as much done as possible before he gets home. I also want to, if he needs to be in any of my shots, I want to get it ready for when he gets here. So those are the reasons why I rush home right after school. You have to be motivated, because some days I just want to come home and veg out on the couch and watch the news. But if you want to take this seriously, you have to make it a habit to film at the best times of the day for your house or for your schedule. I've been just trying to make it a habit, and in my head, the day before, I will kind of plan what I want to film. So maybe I'll do things that are exercise. And so I just have to put on one outfit, or I want to do a talking head video, or I want to do, I don't know, games, whatever. So I try to kind of categorize it, and then also my samples. So right now I'm trying to really work my TikTok Shop angle as a TikTok Shop affiliate. And I've been getting free samples so I can practice, and also just because they're free and they're really cool. So with free samples, there's a 14, I think you get a free sample, you have to make content within 14 days, and they will let you know you haven't done that. And what happens is your ranking goes down, or they have all these scores in TikTok. And this is one of the main reasons I like this so much better than Amazon associates or Amazon influencers, because I feel like Amazon is wild, wild west. There's no accountability. They can throw AI in there. You can get samples and never post, and nothing's ever going to happen. With TikTok Shop, at least this is the vibe they give. But if you get a free sample, you need to make a video, at least one video, or go live within 14 days, and they will give you little, today I got these exercise bands by P-Volve. They're awesome, by the way. I got those as a free sample, and the last couple of days I've been getting notifications saying you need to make this video for P-Volve. And so if you don't do it, then your score goes down, and you'll get less, I don't know if the sellers see your ranking or what, but or the algorithm sends your stuff out. But it does feel like there is incentive to do good by them, by the seller and by the app. So I do like that aspect about it. So anyway, this morning I had to make this P-Volve band one. So I rushed home, changed my outfit, and I did my exercise video. And then I was scrolling through TikTok to see if I made any sales, which I know I shouldn't do. I just made one sale. But I saw they also have these campaigns, which are really fun. So there was a campaign for one of these bathing suits that I bought a couple of months ago before I went somewhere for spring break. And so they have these really cool challenges, and they run for a certain amount of months, and you join them, and then they base the rewards on your GMV, which is how much you are making that company. So then the company will like put a ranking. So like if you have number one GMV, I think it's like $8,500, and number two and three GMV, like there's tiers. And so if you can get into those campaigns early and make like a good video, then you're more like, and there's like a time period. So like if you, the earlier you get into these campaigns, the more time your video has to go out there. And so it had just started yesterday, this campaign, and I had this bathing suit in hand, so I didn't have to like order it or request it. And so I popped that on after I did my exercise video and made my bathing suit video, which are really awkward to do, but I don't care because I am 50 years old and that is a niche. Like people my age want to see like bathing suits, not on like 20-year-olds, but on like their age. So I think I'm just like get over my fear of body. I just don't care anymore. So anyway, that is what my day looks like. And then now that the light's going down, then I make my talking head YouTube video so I can like be consistent with this channel. And then after this, when there's bad light, because I don't want to even try to film and with artificial light because I just don't think it looks good. Like even right now, I don't think the light is looking as good as it was, even 20 minutes ago. So I have footage from yesterday. So yesterday I got home and did the same thing, but I didn't actually edit the videos. It got a lot of footage. So I got footage of my son and his girlfriend and me playing a game that TikTok shop sent me. And then I got footage of this yellow rose thing that I talked about last night. After I make this and edit it and post it, then I'm going to edit those two videos from yesterday, hopefully post at least one because I can post 3 a day. And so far I've only posted 2. And by the way, I think you should go check out my videos so you can see what this kind of looks like. And my editing is not great by any means, but I have been really trying to learn from the TikTok shop affiliate gurus on how to make a TikTok shop video. It's really, really crazy. If you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments and I will do my next video on that. So as promised, I will now tell you my top 3 things that I would recommend getting if you were serious about starting something like this, where you are really going all in, you're locking in your side hustles to make something happen, like a life-changing money occur. And that's what I'm really trying to do right now. I have no one else to help me out, but I know I can do it. So I take it as a challenge. So here are the 3 things that I would recommend. Number 1, if you're serious about doing this is definitely a hot take. For one, I would invest in a good microphone and I would invest in some good lighting. Because honestly, if you're going to be going across platforms, you're going to be making Amazon videos, you're going to be making TikTok videos, and you're making YouTube videos. That's what I'm doing. Those are my trifecta. All 3 of those platforms, the algorithm is going to push you out more if you sound good and if your lighting's good. For TikTok shop, it's really like the lighting is really important. For YouTube, the sound is really important. And for Amazon, like I said, it's a Wild West. I don't know. Like I can make low quality and those go crazy. So it doesn't hurt to have like good lighting and a good microphone. I personally like this Rode brand. It has worked so good for me. I like to hold it. It's comfortable. It can like go into my clothes and it has this like furry thing. So it doesn't like get scratchy noises when you accidentally touch the mic. You do have to remember to charge it, but it's really easy to connect to my iPhone, so I can link it down below if you're interested. But this is the one I like. A lot of people will have those little thin ones. I don't know. They just always sound so scratchy to me. And so the Rode ones are the ones that I like. And then the third thing, it's kind of cheesy, but it's so true. If you want to do this seriously, you need to actually fall in love with the journey. I know, but it's true. Like if you just want to do this and like go viral and make money the next day and like problem solved, that's not it. You have to actually like the process of like learning how to make these videos, learning how things work, learning how to pivot because these systems are always changing, the algorithms are always changing. There's always these trends. So like, I honestly think it's because I have ADHD. Like I was diagnosed as 20 years ago. And I think that this lifestyle, this side hustle thing really lends to my ADHD brain. So I don't know if that inspires anyone, but yeah, like the challenge, and especially like I love my teaching job, but there's no room to grow. Like I already hit the ceiling, I've been teaching for over 20 years and my increased pay is nothing. And it's like, I'm already so late in my life and I like my teaching job. I'm not going to give that up. So the only way I can actually make money at this point in my life is this side hustle culture. And I just think it's a really interesting time where you can have this little phone and be able to make money. If you can figure it out, you can hustle and you can like try to learn and do it. So those are the 3 things: good mic, good lights, to be patient with yourself and to never stop learning. So that is my little rant for the day. This was day 3. I'm not going to do my totals every day because that's just too much work. So I'll give you totals of how much I earned in April for my 3 side hustles and how my monetization process is coming along. My other YouTube channel I'm so close to my watch hours. If you can go over there and just like watch a couple of my videos and get my watch hours up, that would be awesome. I'm trying to get this one monetized, and so like and follow and subscribe, and let's go through this journey together. Because if we do this together, then we're going to be making $30,000 a month, right? All right. So talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.